Hello everyone, welcome back to Magic Now. So today we are going to see how is going to be the coming week, that is from 31st of January to 6th of February 2021. As you can see the two crystals, white and purple, please choose one from the two and your time starts now. The time is over. So we will go with the purple crystal first. So those who have chosen the purple crystal, this spread is going to be for them. How is going to be your coming week, that is from 31st January to the 6th of February 2021. Let's see. So guys who have chosen this purple crystal can expect quite a pleasant week coming. You can definitely expect some good news in the coming week. Very strongly the cards are saying that either you are expecting a news to come which is a positive news, or even if you are not expecting, you can expect a very positive and good news. That could be anything. That could be related to your work, that could be related to your family, regarding your health, if somebody has gone for a checkup or something. But mostly I feel some news which is going to give a push in your life, a movement, a good movement, a positive movement. It is very, very strongly coming from these two cards, that next week whoever has chosen the purple crystal can even for relationship, if you are stuck somewhere, or whoever into a relationship, if you are stuck somewhere, or some news can open up something in your life. People who are not into relationship, something will give you that push, positive push in life. So yeah, it is very, very strongly the cards are saying that you can really expect good positive news in the coming week. So again, it is talking about a real movement in your life, you maybe with that news or with something else, you will be happy. You will have a smile on your face. You will experience happiness, joy, brightness in your life in the coming week. Um, if you are planning some travel, uh, it's a good time for that also. If you are planning a vacation, or because I'm talking about the coming week, it's only 7 days. So if you are going for a short vacation, you can really enjoy that vacation. If you are going for a short trip nearby for some business deal or work wise, that can be also a very successful trip. And also you can expect, as I said, that you can expect a good news that could be related to your personal finance also. Yeah, that is also coming very very strongly. These three cards, mirroring each other. So yeah, there is a huge possibility that if you are expecting some money to get, it's a very very high possibility that you will get that news in the coming week. Or even if you are not expecting, some unexpected money also you can receive, or it's coming in your way, that news you can receive in the coming week. So overall, guys who have chosen this purple crystal, you can expect quite a beautiful, pleasant and happening week from 31st January to 6th of February. That's all for all of you who have chosen the purple crystal. Now we will see whoever has chosen this white crystal, what the cards have to say. How is going to be your coming week, that is 31st January to 6th of February 2021. Let's see. Okay, so for all of you who have chosen this white crystal, again very very uh, highly it is highly possible that for you guys also to expect a very very positive news in the coming week. Very positive news. It could be anything, as I told for the previous spread also. It could be related to your work, money, or any other news, expected, unexpected, but good positive news. So now these two cards are telling me that you have to be little careful about about either your own self or somebody, someone who is closely related to you, you know. Whatever news you are going to get, that is going to be a positive news. But the cards are telling me that you maybe you have to take a decision based on that news. To be little flexible, don't be rigid in taking that decision. Whatever decision that could be, but be little flexible. Don't be rigid. And also, do not allow your mind or emotion to take over. Having said so, this card is actually giving us a good suggestion, or not suggestion actually. This card is actually telling us that though it could be that your mind or you being getting influenced by someone close to you will not be very what should I say, it is not going to be so much you will not get so much influenced by that, because something will come up or something will happen which will allow you to take the correct decision and not to get influenced either by your own mind or somebody else. So though there is a possibility of little uncomfortable situation, but ultimately it will not remain uncomfortable. You will be able to take the correct decision or correct stance as far as your life is concerned. So yeah, so for all of you who have chosen the white crystal, it's a little mixed of pleasant and unpleasantness, but this card is actually reassuring that at the end you will win over whatever unpleasant situation might occur in the next week. So yeah, it's not as positive as the previous spread, but nonetheless it is also telling me that it is going to be quite a good week for all of you, if you really can be little flexible with few things. I cannot tell which are the few things, but eventually you will come to know. And please remember this spread, that the cards are telling you to be little flexible, not to be very rigid. Otherwise you can expect a fairly good week coming in your way. Okay, so that's all for today. So tomorrow we will be doing a reading, a very short and brief reading again. Till then, bye bye.